Hi everyone, this is Bart Walczak from creativeimpatience.com. Let me show you today another nifty tool that I created. This time it's After Effects script. It's called Layer Stripper. It allows you to keep your project clean. Right here I have a project with quite a few compositions, and various layers are referenced here as parents, as track mattes, and also in expressions. So what I want to do is I want to remove all the layers which are not actually taking part in the final composites. Their visibility is turned off and they are not referenced in other compositions. So I run the layer stripper, and normally it will simply remove the layers which are not referenced. So if I click proceed, done, removed 4 layers. And if I take a look, then a few layers were removed. Right, for example, here there was one layer which was turned off, and here also was one layer that was turned off. So that's fine, but here I have quite a few nulls which don't do anything. They are not part of expressions, they are not parents, they are not parented. So let me remove also these ones, and also let me remove the guide layers which I don't need anymore because they will not render anyway. So now when I click proceed, bang, removed 9 layers. Also notice that this layer, even though it's turned off, it is not being removed. The reason it's not being removed is because it's locked. And if you really want to remove locked layers, there's also a checkbox for that, but you want to be aware that if you actually do that and remove this layer, in this case, this layer was driving the trapcode particular effect, and removing this layer was not safe. This option is here for you, but be careful with this one. The script parses simple expressions, so it parses expressions like this comp layer 3 or this comp layer logo cam to blah blah blah. And it also parses expressions like comp name, layer index. This is the extent of the expressions that are recognized by the script. If you are using expressions like a equals this comp and then a.layers and layer name, then it's also not going to recognize these. So these are the caveats that you need to know if you are experienced expression user. If not, then the script will most likely suffice to clean your projects as they are. I hope you'll find this script useful. A few people asked me for it, so I just created it so that you can keep your projects clean, you can trim your projects, you can remove unused media on collect, and generally reduce your footprint. So enjoy, have fun, and create something great.